FM and TV and market yapa. Sompa dear Sassy so and many dear. Ajuma yesimini aketi enti usumu sumyo anunebe mawanya aketi yapa ewa Sassy Ewiasim mubasum na wansum ye dia fanyina mose wansum bisa usum ye makete yapo eni je ti sumpa die e makete yapa sumpa die Sassy so emeni je Sompa FM Sompa TV makete yapo sumpa die M-I-N-G Bichim wafidi ene to Sompa FM and TV Nebema weniji Ene akati yapa Nebema weniji o Sabra boy mo tajini Binachiro suna udie wanya Nebema weniji Nakati yapa so kamu Market yapa, our fidi in it to Sompa FM and TV. Why? Sompa. Yasin Sompa mani jeni akati yapa na unu wada. Sompa de asit name unu. Market yapa. Ye no mai mun san makudi mun san jina ne kasebo biji sam ni jasu sem jina Sompa de Apam Sompa FM e market yapa Sompa TV MNG Sompa TV MNG
Sompa 106.5 FM Accra so nie premwa to abusua yamamu nyina ha amamu akwa bebredu so sensama hodo a edi ehim omaimu na fama hodo so yetena se ne bebobo ni nyina ho edema mo seprem to brekase bo ensemi efri yatena yekase mu ewo enkran dome Watermelon Street ena yede esomwo saranso ena woko Asante Mantem Kropon Kumasi emu a Kasieboyi eye live ewo Sompa 93.1 so Ayiko 100.9 so Kumase hono Madam Fopa Radio ewo Paris France abrochimene mu wo so efa Kasieboni bi ewo Sampotem honom Sompa 101.1 ewo Takwa wo mukrem Takra defo nso ebiemu ewo Sompa 103.3 so Techiman 106.1 Sunyai 98.9 Enkranza 90.7 Doma 101.3 ni nyina eye Sompa krono adoma 100.7 FM wom so efa bi atwa pete Kingdom 106.1 ewo enfifi mantemu mankesim any areas ho nyina wamu enya so emfa so wudi koda no so wote enka na ye Sompa FM so Facebook, YouTube, babia yedem live ewo ho Facebook no braso bi eye Sompa 106.5 FM Accra udu ho no wa like page no wa share no wa follow no wa gya wadwenkyere no e de ato ase ama ye kama YouTube no so eye Sompa FM live Kanes Urban Radio adwedifo e won potem ho nyina etie bi www.sompaonline.com ho nso ene official website a wokọ hormo ansam no wa upebi akenkan no so ubetimi akọ no akọ kenkan bi awie nso yeda so live and clear ewo Sompa TV no so ase we use udejo box na eyade se ubenya yen ahye kase boni ewo ho yen fasida no emma gasem wo na de super strong waterproof cement no aba edwaman so a ebo ama densie ho nsam no etimi akọ nkan endpoint homeopathic clinic Dr. Dubuaten so enam homeopathy kwan so sanyare wa ahodo fa yare no kɔ hɔ no moe na wo menye ho adwuma emfama time eba mesha enso malaria duro ya ye kamfo de ama o sɛ honam ya ade eno a enesese wo pɛ na uyusuo kasa natural mineral water aboju nsu a ya sonson so de afa mfidie mu ani krogyen program bi a ekoso pebi na fa som wo ho wo madawroma awie nsɛm ahodo a yɛde enam no ne yebedi mu akote ni bi ene sɛ
Wamai posi sadom penia wutuano no. Wache edomu bia we posi sadom na wono we kwati abonofosem na meka say womodra sentimentem ko ben na pie afiri ho.
Wa asantimantem na DVL adwumako afei Ghana Police Service MTTD wanoma ka wom ho bom National Insurance Commission NIC wanoma so ka ho a ahyenkafo bia sabi wanomu eye bibia emfamra kwan so no ye akire wonom
emperifo ada pantan ayasa bia no ano bia ya ye hwa adwene mu yade no wom de abeto dwase nansem nsuo bi etoye ma ensusanso boni a ede abre wo no wo mu hiamoa
saa na otimantem nso wo mo bo amane sa yade bi ho asa yabu ani aguso na edi ade hye nya pa ena ya wada na nso obo ya ososo
Kratsa every Ghana Catholic Bishop Conference about one mu chiremu se ensemu a eya Lincoln University one on the baye esetight wa mo de ma Ghana ma pani wa ma redro no one mu so achensemu
yebeko mai emra se bedwam na emma ya wo mo ye women caucus wo mrase bedwam no dwamtirani na ekase wo se nyame ya dom abeye eda yanim aye ba betu be ma bia wo be contest mrase bedwam constituency bia wo ba na ye MP wo ho no wo be boss ankofuru nyina din na Ghana ha ne ye twen
ene bia koya mrase bedwani wo ba pa gen former din so akabi no wo chesa nkakra akra fra wo mo froko wo be ka se ema modern mono kwa anim
Bank of Ghana Governor Yawotria no ede ensembi atomonti nyina efa US ni Israel ni Iran de esi wo ho no wose sunsuanso bai na ansha ebenya Ghana esi kasam so
aban anamusini abedi akire ema UK wode ato dwa se eka aban no ede UK universities ahodo bi ama Ghana fo bi a wo moje enkyerɛkyerɛ wo ho no wo ho akyere wo no aban ebetua sa sika
eno ache abusua abekwa manoni o na Kenya mamu wo mo kyerɛ sɛ wo mo hunu emofra mu bi na dododo sɛ tie no yɛde mu nsɛm oba
abusua wei ene afoforo bi na awie yi anuanom basa yebekenkan ede amamumidin ede Adwoa Asare mene
triple man Ajapia Apam Dadaa ana afi
Abena Bedu Adepa Kofi
afi kan ho bra YouTube no so Sompa FM live Facebook no Sompa 106.5 FM Accra ya no aba beche ama anu ebianya bi na wo de won kanto so o comment nso ato so na ayefe say yeti kopo no so na flat screen o TV no ye live so Sompa TV abusua ensem no ne sra na basa ye ntutum famma emframa abo no ayete se chinhia mframa ye bi fira tifi na bi fira nafo na abebo ahie ni na we de eba bambo mu a emframa abo firi nkran na atoto akwa kodura santema mu no posi sadom urempense edu a wotua no yewra Christian tete yohonu na wapao we enye agenda 111 ni bi onemom eye agenda 11 eno no eye posi sadom akintinawa wo mu aben wa adwuma no service integrity no wo mutumi ma eye adwuma na abonefo mo mutwa abaahwe ano na yapa wo mo ede wo mo kwa asantemo mu se wo mo nkoka wo no me wo no ho enko boase de be na abonefo sama ekoso wo man mu a asanteman eka ho no wo motimi atwa abaahwe ano enti anya wonwa se openso obo anan na oba ankrama mu a wo ba be hia posi sadom no pania wotia no na ene se wo mu yi sa sadom ya wo no mokọ no pania na wo no ene di wo manim eye DSP Yewra Bawa Abdul Jalil na sabre kro na ASP Mr. Samuel Mustafa Abenzu wo mu nyina eka ho nanso Satia biano, Wamuko and Wamuko penimpa, one da Sadom Nano, DCOP Matthew, DCOP Arthur, was a yakutu, Nenaso. Now Wamuko ya, or J. Wamo Ababano, and somehow the two when him bini.
Service, every place have its peculiar way of doing things. In Ashanti region, we do things say kutu. And so I'm very sure you are going to do it kutu. Good. So let's go out there and make the Inspector General of Police proud.
Yes, sir.
Let's go out there, do professional job.
Yes, sir.
And make Ghana police name goes up. Let's cut the excesses. If it is not needed, don't let us do it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Our duty is to focus on criminals, arrest them and let them face the law. That is our job. Yes, sir. Change that will shift attention from the good work you are doing. Let's avoid them. Sometimes it's painful.
Any outi yenemfuni awoshe no. Wano ene commander Santemantan wutua wo mano DCOP Mr. Arthur was yakutu. Na ewie na DSP Yewra Bawa Jalil ya wodi dom nanim koye no. Wano nso edne de eto so bra wo mukote se kutu se bam no de wo nso ya to aso.
Even if you are able to identify your colleagues' pair of boots, that demands that you put it at the right area. That is called teamwork.
Normal operations here. As you are aware, people who is the landlord, you need to meet him as I discussed earlier. So we want to go ahead and have the discussion and receive the reform. For those who do the surveillance, after that placement, we are moving to the direction we do that to. So we can go ahead and do our operations and then everything become successful. So we join your vehicles as it is without doing the path. Let's try and see how we can all do our path and go. Thank you. Thank you.
Eno DSP Yewra Bawa Abdul Jalil wono ene team commander. Ena woche emfa ho ne sede asantuma ye wo mu de kutu eye ne bam no. Wo mu nso suma ye de suma wo mu no. Teamwork wo mu koka bom ama kutu ene bam no timi aye adwuma.
Yejinemu awo asante amantamu na sede ebe ya ehyan a yetwi awo yakwan ya kwantempo ahodo so no yade wo hyehyeye ebe ya adwuma eyie na aboa yense oman na temamufa de hye so ye ho atoyenti DVLA meche driver and vehicle licensing authority womo ani panifo womo di dwuma awo motor traffic and transport department MTTD adwumako Ghana Police Service for eka ho National Insurance Commission NIC one what wo Esimontre ya wanum ahwehwe ehye bi a wamu kiremu se edi Toyota Vozi saka we ebi mu fra no enkokwa nketenkete aba oman mu pa nhya dan kyere yie eno am hya ase akrakra ba wotache ase saka yi etanya kwanhia pa ewa ya kwan ene ya kwantempo ho sam so empanifoti a wamu atiagu montini nyina kiremu se saka we Wushemu anka ya private purpose sa wonko anu abusuya kakra bi mutu kwan na kama soa mu ho agumna mo konso kamia ya sa Ghana de hye ya kraka ne ba public use na chese ya de fa pasinyafo ebi mutimi free nkran kokuma se kwamia mi kuro mu dunkwawo enya asam ketewa eye ni so mu so kire mu se mu aha enti no ekwa speed kakra bi anamfra ma awura ma charu pre na akwakwanya akwanhia empanimfo se wano mo cheche upie mu wasante amatem opani kase wono waya manager edema DVL adwumako no eye owura Jerry Fablo wani yensem training bawa bedu edi nkomo
Ghana mbremu no ebra ma ho kwan se car ya register no as private na odi be commercial activity inti ende de ye okwan se ye pese fa kwanya we so na ye ni driver for omo cars ni ye white number plate private number plate na omo de ye commercial activity no ye de munya nkete odi na ye tu omo fo se omo nsesa no omo ye change of use inti ye yes adeche no be 1 or 2 weeks ye wi a ye be jaya to but afi ye baduma na omo ye be chichiru nyina no ye de omo be court ye bo passenger for no so kokko se cars ya we say private okotrim na utia sikana ode otim so fa okọ bebi na se nyame mpangu bibisi a unya insurance claim bia esan say car no oma insurance for private use only enye commercial enti no car say station a eya amenfro fro bia eye commercial number plate be yellow enu na embrem no embrama no kwa say offer nye commercial activities.
Openi akasa yei aya manager ya wono wada DVL adwumako ne fe no no wasante emantamu ora Jerry E Afabro na wachire mu no na chese motofo nyina ya chiri bi motofo a wono no wa register ne private ntu behwemu no na wade yo okada wanu nyina ne ya chechire wonom eno achi no ora Peter Afo Nkansa wa deputy manager edema National Commission ye NIC eno ne fe no no ewa asante emantamu wono so chemu kakra se apasinyafo na yanso efa baabi yedue ye ho bodododo ye kwana se ka ni si wano mu a ye kra ne bu ho atwede efo yenso ye ho yi nyasa BBC a ye ne ankasa insurance papa bi ene wano me be cover ye.
General public in them to they should be very careful when they are joining cars because most of the cars, insurance and we say all right, but we say class and also they are a private, not using as commercial. What they say, boy, own goods, not the funny part, no discount. Own goods in the wow car, who they found no map baby out, but they be found at the funny part. Accident this year, insurance company who's a and a change of ownership or talk car, make sure say we change of ownership.
Ne krakra mu no owura kwasi ajanim waten wano na yapani kwankyerefo a eba no National Road Safety Authority ni fe no no wasante mantem otua no wano so ne yensem twani ba wabedu e kasa ka
no basically no dey ehu it's a speed issue we can catch them there for no so na you don't be at your meet and so on the public only on the built up area that's a baby a ipedi apani aba na se bi akote no they say don't go more than 30 odu urban area bi on ma any highway, any speed zone be waiting up. But be any power no men come more than 30. It's Easter I say you probably be able to go on quite important. So we making sure say you know much and can for the better you make and so. Oh yeah, vehicle occupants and as a passenger so. The best say speed in the cross road back at your ocean can you amana ba phone. And so do police
Sadi ebeye akwanso jojo hu nsam ebetimi abopeme ewo ya kwan ne akwantempo ahodo so nti ene na DVL adwumako afa MTTD Ghana Police Service ena National Insurance Commission NIC wamati wamu agumu akasi ahodo a eyesanka ye ankrankra use no ye de eye passenyafo ye fafa wonom a womo ehwe ni na checherekere womo ampanimfo baako miensa akasa afri wonom a womo ejejina kwaso ne yensem twani ba wabedu edi sankom ya dane achidi asomo
Abusia ye fra sante mantam no emu na ye de yani achemu wo apomden ensemu medical director ya woda Pantan Psychiatric Hospital no ano eye doctor Yenuso Malug na wode adesede atompanifo anim sese ade ya asabia no eho na ye bia ya ye hye wo mo asabi wo madwiri mu eka wo mo ye wo mo ho adwuma na wo se ya asabia no wo mo breye papa emfie be de oho nie abribia wo hye attention ya aban no ede ekọ sa yaresabia ho na ya na esua na wo se nanu nsuo bi beto ye nene etutu nchensia padan no bi so a ejapade ahodo ya asai ewo Pantan Hospital hodom no eyade bi a ehadwene ye pa nti wo mo stress aban emeye wo momwa na wo se wo hye Mental Health Act no a afim pino ene edumienu 2012 de no ya wo mo etintim ye sa nso no wo mo tintim bi 2015 ya ne nyina no eye Mental Health Authority for na yes a edwuma no wo se wo hye support ya nka sese emra we ma ho kwan me ye de bra ya sabia no de wo munya no eye kuma bi na enchepi ena ya sabia no wo mo launch dwumadie bi e fe no set the captives free set the captives free no yes se wo manka se fa to wo so se wo mo ne nam ba kire akwan ahodo so ye street ni mu ya wo mo adwenem no enhyeda enkoye no nka ye betimi atwe wo nyina ba ya sabia ho ne ya hye wo mo ne asa dane wo mo ede ama wo mabusuanfo so wo mo ho to wo mo a wo se enam akade a eni ho nti no ama sa project no kra wo mo atwintwen so kakra na emom se ye kasa de emoa en wo mu ehia.
There was this rainfall that damaged the female VIP Ward 8. The roofing was blown off, and that's where our female VIP clients are. We currently have about 8 clients on admission, but the staff who were on duty when it happened, it traumatized them, you know. Aside from the female VIP ward, our generator house, or the powerhouse, the roofing was also taken off, and it's just over where the exchange part is, where when the lights goes off, around there will be the switch. That's where we start Pantan right now. Pantan Hospital is in a very precarious situation just of financial wise, so with this thing having to happen to us, it's really good after the call. We need to get it done.
Ene ya yekotie sesiei eye Dr. Yenuso Malug wono ene ye medical director ya woda Pantan Psychiatric Hospital no ano.
Abusia ene ya Pantan ye free Pantan ye ko Oti region asem na making. Na eho na pani kwankyere for da pomodin ano. Ewo nkwanta fon de to so se no kwasemu ni. Enyarewa bi wo ho a ekama ye se ya adwen nko so se bu na ye bu ye ni agusu. Di addition na won potem ho nya pa na wono no won fa nso bia wo de hye ensu papa wo mo ne enom wo mo potem ho enti Dr. Amoko Vikode wono ene ye Oti Regional Director of Health Services wono na de sa asemi eto yamane boni na naken anim
yare wo bi no ma ye fro mo neglected tropical diseases just eba o mai mo ache na aye ti sa ache no te wo mai mo a da to bi ahia ka hia fo ni bi wo mo ayintimi nya ensuo papa ni ayi infection mo hono enti ya to ni di se neglected tropical disease eno no ebi ni emfa ebi no so ne ayi jepim and opinion so really awesome. So now me ba say na who say really awesome no ne fano and JP no ebi wa hapa nti ya hwe ya dwen say or health directorate e be make sure say e be addresses we nti branch hwe neglected tropical diseases so I work Ghana Health Service you know mudin kita da
na sabre enkamfa ya de ama Ghana baby ya duru ya yensu anyina ye di nsu drogu mutime no anu amu no na ye be sanso anyamfa nanso ukọ utimantem dia sade Dr. Amoko Vikode e ka no ebi wo ho enti ni nyina yensu papa wo munya e ka ho bi e manyare wa ye fa wo nsu mu nso enya na wo ho titu ne typhoid
endemic and the typhoid is endemic in the same who say by all means, me. The moment you are no mamma whom you know me, I say the two said, oh, yeah, typhoid. Said you walk and wow, be malaria. So I've been with tears apart from malaria and typhoid, and so I can't ever high endemic. And you say, be a course run, I say, be a name, and so any said, is if I dear who, Janai 7, and normal, and no, contribute to Nama typhoid, and ya asitna, timantem. It's wash institutions, water, sanitary.
And no ne ya, Dr. Amoko Vikode e be kire se, wa ya ma ye yinu na ye one wa yo bi mfiri ba bi meye ma enti wo besra de hye ya wo mu otimantem se wo mo ho so.
Now two region we come together because we are a government no no continue we especially otimani nyina come together we more and contribute to na yenya water treatment plants bin NCCC NC Emra Uti said there you between nsuo no every either the water lake mo and say you are ultimo now you are treating na fe ya pipe no to all the other areas nya say nsuo Rosuku school catch us in Sway no more the nsuo there Kasa na me wo secondary school from 1 to 5 you describe so said it yes nsuo say wo nsuo say ye kon color said you know ye cross and
Sama ne boy yama ne boni na naken na nsemi nyina Dr. Amoko Vikode wo kyekere to na betia oto emane yen
enura ane ehu kratsa bi ya na free university Lincoln University eba ya no mo kire mu se wo mo bo Ghana mampani His Excellency Yera John Dramani Mahama wo mo bo no abaso a wo mo na no doctorate degree na wo mo kire mu se wo mo ehu enyema bi yiye efa no LGBTQI+ ho sensem se owura yi su ogina bonkum su ogina nifa enti no wo masanso a withdraw wo mo ade kratsa ya da manimu e Ghana Catholic Bishop Conference wo pani a wo no wo ya mo president e Most Reverend Matthew Kwesi Jemfi wakasa kire mu se wo mo hu sakrata no sebi wo mo se femo pa wase said ye ekwe wobi a wanti ase ye no ebetumi ate ase differently bonse wa chechem ekwan bi so ama no akwakoye nsempi na wande ombetumi akad won sesi wombo ese Lincoln University said ya womoka so maredro no enyamra kwan sokra Most Reverend Matthew Ensemni.
Universities, as we have come to know and understand it, is a place where ideas are hatched, where ideas are developed. The university is a place where ideas opposing each other can live peacefully, and these ideas challenge each other so that each one becomes perfect. So for a university to say they disagree with a particular idea and should never be discussed, and all those who tone and are developing those ideas.
Openi okasa ye Most Reverend Matthew Kwesi Jemfi wano na ya president ya wada Ghana Catholic Bishop Conference ano enti Lincoln University wanu mabaso ba wo de bom Ghana mampeni His Excellency Yera John Dramani Mahama wa Pennsylvania United States of America wo mu chemu se LGBTQI+ ho sensem won hu de wojinanti wo maredro no na wo mu so de krata ba wo mu a chemu se de omo eka ne de emfa mra kwan
women caucus no ano Onmunyamfo comfort doyo kujogansa na wode atuja wo bokokose enano report bi ebaye ya free United Nations for ho a brano wo mo de sa report ne ba ne hye wo man bia representation eye ema wo mo so adwuma wo mo ye ewo oman bia amamuo mu na United Nations for nano report na ebaye no hye Ghana ama eno nti wonam so eba amane se say ya kase nyame ya domo a ye boabo ye ho na 2028 ya kwa akoto aba constituency bia wo mo MP eye oba say ya kase na ebedu 2028 na bema bi si wo kwa contest sa constituency no won bebo nipa ni dia bonten wo matwi nanim na mention no won beye bi sansa wo manye ne saa de bia ema representation no ebekoso wo fam wo se no ba mai emrase bedwafia wo mo tron krata de akwa speaker say report a free United Nations for ha bani wo mo free speaker ho a no mo de aduru mampani John Dramani Mahama na boboa no se wo mo asem a wo mo kan 2028 se wo ye be ma enko constituency bia wo baye MP se wo kwa contest no de enya de a wo mbepene so kra ne nsam anura wode tuja e wo mai emrase bedwam yentie bi.
Right, Honorable Speaker, the global report which we brought from the UN is disheartening. There's 188 countries and Ghana is 149, which means we have not done well at all when it comes to women. We go to Speaker and tell him how best he can support the women so that we retain our seats. Mr. Speaker, all men who contest women in this parliament at next election, we will name and shame them because we need to protect the women.
Ene ya yekotie ye Dwamtrenia wada women caucus nano na chesa da MP no comfort doyo kujogansa en wode sa ensemi etudwa ya mane boni na opon chicheku na de ba 2028 ne de wo munyina ye wo ye MP a na wo ye oba wo constituency na se bema bi kaso oba be contest wa yesi ye bebo sa mema ne nyina di ne atwi wo manim enti se mema no so tie na apese wo contest seat bi a oba ene wo hono mo a na wahwa toto niema ye ma no so mo ho so se de be ya adwuma no mo betimi ya adwuma no wo ye na wunwuma e kasa ma wa enye wo kura na abeka se mu obi ama men contest unti eno so ho amane bo a efiri ma se bedwam eba no
ene badwafie ho a ena no point cheku ginai na biakoye MP nso aka bi e kire se no kwasem ne de emema timiyo no emma kura timiyo eye ni yie ode yie kura asa asoso ne sa wonti wono no de wonka nkwa akiri se wo hwe empom na se badwafie a wo mo wei emma e wo ho no mode a wo mo bo wo mo na so mema ne tisi so ente sa nka abo bi a che won mawe na mame famadi Mary Jane ene ka sa asemi wo wisade aguna na oponchecheku asom no wo chese enuru se ye nto aba ne de kura no na wo ma san ya pempa ahwe bedu ba bi na Ghana Parliament no kura aye manko a na wo motimi ahu timamufo ehaw wo makwa amayen na wo sese wo de wo mo hototo emema no a wo beka se ma na bo ho so pa
where women in Ghana stands on the international list. Mr. Speaker, out of 188, Ghana stands 149 position. That means even though we are doing well, we need to do more because the percentage we hold in Ghana as the women representation in parliament is 14.5%, which is far below the 30% that we are working towards. Mr. Speaker, when you look at the 6th parliament, we had 29 women. 7th parliament, we had 35. 8th parliament, 40 women. And this 9th parliament, we are 41. If you look at 8th parliament 40, now 41, it means we grew only by 1, which is not the best. We need to do more. In fact, I'm happy to see smiles on the faces of the men. That suggests that they want to support us to get more numbers.
Sure. And Mamma no cry, man, and more dear, one more bar. One Benyan come with the woman called Yanabecas and man on cock. And two boats and Cransana for say no banwa, no one more piano manaquampa. And he, Honorable Jane Marie, former dinner no, and I been more castle with your bar Van Dam. A dinner so Van Dam, dinner beer, Jane Clude Van Dam. No, we are Jane Marie former D. On Abia Quay MP, Adwoa Asare.
Nani apadenchira epoye mensimu so oba no atisuo ntinani oba no so no abo Emilia nkoma no so ye nadwuma yi na kyerese 2028 wasanso atena so ye free hwai na yento asem no eso ewo ensem foforo Governor Edema Bank of Ghana Dr. Johnson Esiama Pundit wono na ekasai wase die esie ewa Middle East US Israel Iran ntamunti wase anhye ye na se ekwaso a ebetimi affect yen wade dwumadie yi ashashasha so ewa abra gesem wanom edi wamo 10th anniversary and Dr. Esiama Pundit ekasa ye ewa dwumadie ase yentie ne nsam a odi tu jani bi
in the next parliament.
What is important, therefore, is for us to be able to maintain the gains. But unfortunately, as some of you are aware, we are in the middle of this crisis knocking on our doors. What we call global economic shocks, geopolitical shocks. They are some of the things we have to contend with. For now, our hope is that crisis will be a short-term one. That somehow the crisis ends within a short time. If however persists, then we will have to design some different policy measures to contend. But no worries, this is not the first time Ghana's economy is suffering global shock. We will get through it. We are in contact with the Ministry of Finance and the other government agencies on what to do and at what time. So the contingency measures are in place.
Openi wakasa ye Governor Edema Bank of Ghana Dr. Johnson Esiama Pundit Jumedia Jesem wanam edishasha so nyina ye wo mfinhia edu ene wode ensemi etu dwanti ye nyina ye mompaye Middle East asomdue betumi abaho na yenso ye ho ebeto yen so man
ye kai wo sa ha ye Sompa 106.5 FM Accra ye premto breakfast ye bono na ye daso a ye kenkan ede ema Sompa TV no nso obetimi aba behye live wo honum wo ensemfoforo emuno Ghana Deputy High Commissioner Emma Oman United Kingdom Aquinas Kwansan wo de ato dwa se aban no edisuapo ahodo bi e wo UK honum ka anye bi kura be 32 million euros de ebetimi aduru na enam saa eka we nyina nti ama Ghana de hye bi a akọ amanone se wo mo kwa akwaje entete wo mo kosua de apomuden kwa so ne ade dodo no a saa adwuma no wo mo kwa kwaye ho no ama wo masetre mo akwaye den de ama wo mo pa na High Commissioner echemu se enche saa areas ni nyina ye se efiri afempinu ne aduro no 2020 na akekaria boaboa no a de ababeduru afia ye womi na wo se ye kasa di aban no etoto niema se de be ya wo metimi atua se kare nyina de afiri wo mo ye de wo mo ato scholarships so ya wo mo kwa akosua de e wa manone ho nyina se wo mani etutu aka wo mo sam se imagine se wo ti ukurom na wo da scholarship so se kokosua de na fa bebo ama na be kokoduru na de obedi kura no akwakoye de babia de uti beto no eno so akoye boachi bidin ya de bi ha dwene na ensem a ononyamfo Aquinas Kwansan Thomas ekan din ho wo de tu dwane yentie bi
all about money to get money to pay the arrears that we owe the schools way back from 2020 to now. So if we are able to clear, I don't think any of them will find themselves in that kind of situation. We are doing what we can as a commission to get money to clear those debts. And I think you know about how much we owe the schools. I mean, it's like a whole ministry's budget. We're talking about £32 million. That is a lot. But we are trying just to make sure we clear those debts so that the children can go home. Because of that, I think since 2025, they've not been able to give any scholarship into this country. Because no school will accept you if you go at it. We will do everything that we can to make sure this particular project.
Odimonyafo Aquinas Kwansa ena yete ninken wono ena Ghana ha woye Deputy High Commissioner Emma United Kingdom.
Abusia Sompa dumienu kase no eno na ye be ma o TV no so radio so phone so ene ye the information centers de mintimi modin ya birthday mine DJ King Star Sompa Droma wabie nu wo ye wiei ama ade hye no wo mo fa bi nkran certificate abusia Goldfield for wo makasa na kama ese nkomo bi nenam wo mo kyerese na da mice no se de sese wo mo kyerese akodi ewura Ibrahim Muhammad nsam nkomo ne de obi e ka ne se de wo ka no na Goldface for na wo mo ene kobasika okọ no yetu awie wo mbe dada so ansa na aya abrofo no kura akọ ama wo mo aba beto bi no wo mo kyerese no kwasem ne se wo mo hwe de da mice no wo yo ede aboa masika okọ adwuma no atimi agina won bebo o mabaso pa na sabi de binumu keka na asa court dan ho abobo ende wo mo kana wa na so wo kana wa na won so tia na watie no wa sa na eno no wo chese se wo mo hwe wo mo lease no kura wo mo trem be se 12 months bi ede ma wo nom no ehyehyeye wo mu a se tie bia na asa brode eba na aba abeboa ode enti executive officer ede ma adwumaku no eyira Mike Fraser wono ena ebo sa amane no wo kyese wono mo nso de san wonhwene so se enya de awon be ma wo manye sika okwa yetu no kitwa kura se entetia ne ba shu lazy ano ebe yira ana apai kwanta akwakofa baabia se de be ye na sikato a ewo so oman yenya wo so ansa na mpo ebe firi ensem adu kwasi kokko ensem no yensa betumi aka ne nyina na ye de aboye ho bra enye no nko enwuma so ebe firi ho aba ama ade hye nya bi no ebro mpem nso ene akire ne se honti se mo ho na ebi keka tutu mu atu a won pese emfaso a wo mu benyanti ne wo ka ne saa enti wo ka no mo busa ne mu asem eno eye nkomo a efiri Goldfield wo mo aboboa no ba Sompa ya de na kira ma wo
abusia hye no so se hutie pamtobra kase e wo Sompa ye ne yanuane mu nyina enkrabata ne nyina eso Sompa TV no so yedam sada na Facebook no so ya Sompa 106.5 FM Accra ni die mu na wa like page no na wa share e ma afofro so anya bia hye ye tra ensam no so origina ye ye piemu e wan kran pompuni e manta na ye bo anai ko piemu e wa La Paz Tama station ho ni nyina enesa National Road Safety Authority wana mati wo mo ho agumo ahyenkafo asabi wo mo twi ahyen e wo ya kwan ne akwantempo ahodo aso no wo mo de education papa ena de ma wonom wo mo cheche wo mo hia ehia esa wo de ekwan so jojo enhyehyeye ene emra e wo ho no udi bedi dwuma wo se ohyenkani papa ne de wakọ aba bedru fie asondue mu hwehwehwanhwam ni nyina ne se obaba bedu bokọ woni apase nyafo ni nyina no eno ene betumi aboa yensem twani na opon checheku ebo pini afa ho ehyankafo bia na wonom etie nkyerɛkyerɛ yi wo mo ne yen ekasai
dina aban ne ehwero obobo ya ha ba ebe ne do aboa yen ni famo jumani to de bia roba njiba adese me nya atase commercial work you da and that conflict best rap wonya family pe atitwen obi ade ne se basa be ko mu ko juma within seconds na ka hit edintia enye photo de omo kan bu yeso ene ma eden e sisa yes lemo ya munya se na pade ma Something say yes, can buy 80 pounds. Let me get the final say. Over was not meat, and I see the driver, you was not 40 passenger. On the coast of Passa, Tiasia, this one, Tiasia, this one, Tiasia. Massa was not like I said, you say the power million. The best nearly Sada Mega.
Adishia Wanamuchi Ashine, Ewan Crampumpuni, a Mansamu, Wamu Yusu La Paz, Tema Station Home, and our National Road Safety Authority, one open for one more Gumua. Yet, one of any same training and upon Chiku, about Penny Ashenkafui, and Omni Sansemina, a 2 year name.
Ghana, a Mabunu be any one more decam for. Aka womo ho abomatro adesreden krata petition bi e de akoma asoye hye emabunu enkanko ene empowerment so na womo se ena no womo te yese na ye kenkan aban no akonhumasika bi a watwa e de ato ho no mane policies ahodo a won pese womo ye ene hyehyeye ya aban no e de gu akwamu de abo mabunu no ne sika locations a eko e de amasa anyumaku no na wo se emabunu asoye ahodo bi wo ho no mo a sa allocations no womo enya bi enti mabru no friends amchofo enhiamu Ora Sharif Gali wono ena ye chief executive officer Emma Ghana Chamber of Young Entrepreneurs na wono ne kasa ye no wose aban na enhye ne titupa ne Youth Employment Agency YEA honum afa National Youth Authority District Assembly Common Funds ahodo bi no allocations no ama enano de womo kokenkan wo maimra se bedwe no womo ante eno nti no womo de sankratai akoma ministry ne so womo nhye no womo nye bibi emfafa wo yenti no.
We believe that the youth of Ghana shouldn't, at every point in time, be begging for what is due. So we are here to simply ask for something that is already due the young people, which is that the National Youth Authority, by their act, is supposed to receive 5% from the District Assembly Common Fund. The Youth Employment Agency is supposed to receive 10%. But what we have seen over the years that is either this money is given to them or it's reduced. Even better that is reduced. Unfortunately, this year, the District Assembly Common Fund went to Parliament with an allocation formula, and National Youth Authority and YEA were totally not in the list. So we think that this is a policy issue. We think that this is a clear omission. It's a big error, because we are living in a time where youth unemployment is becoming a very big issue. You all will recall about 500,000 young people applying for 5,000 security service jobs. This is a signal that youth unemployment is becoming.
Ene ya yekotie ye Ora Sharif Gali wono ene ye Chief Executive Officer Emma Ghana Chamber of Young Entrepreneurs so nanu si ye no ena osoafo ohwe mabunu enkanko ene wo mtoto ye eso onunyafo George Opariado wono ena nensaka petition no na wasebo se we ya nensa asomi ensema hodo ya ekuo no ede aba no wo mehwe no mesisie
Let me speak that when the problem was we were also the CEO of the National Youth Authority of about the formula has been passed by Parliament. And so yesterday we was the first working day.
George Opariado eye swafo yo hwe youth development ene empowerment eso nana opon chicheku ene de amaniboyi ebaye
ene opon chicheku nyanwe wono ada so gina ha na wono efutum ra hye badwani na akasai onumunyamfo Alexander kwame na afenyo maken wasahene baabi adu no yese yato apentia na yekaya anom ene nti wokoto asre test confor se wo makokoko akuafo na so ene wo ho abohu sa dokotafo ne anesefo a wo makatua ma ya wo musu ne wo mu ne wo makwakosu abom na nso ne nyina no de wo mu we no test confor enso wo chefa wo mu ka kire won se 2028 aba no betimi aba abaye wo so no de ade ne na wo mu wo adwumayo adwuma na wo mu wo yo no nso no enye atoro kakra no kore kakra wo mu nka no kore no emaganafo ento wo masom na obi amfa bibia nkotwa won soso woni test confor bi di asia na wo bo ho amane a na opon etomane yen.
It will not be won by division. It will be won by a united front, a shared vision, and a collective commitment to our victory.
Unity is the foundation upon which victory is built. And if we are to claim power in 2028, then we must rally behind our flag bearer, support his vision, and work tirelessly to restore the confidence of the Ghanaian people. And this is where TESCON comes in. You must be at the forefront of the struggle to regain power. The responsibility of shaping the narrative, engaging the youth, and defending the truth must rest heavily on your shoulders. The political battlefield has changed. It is now heavily digital. And in this space of falsehood, where falsehood travels fast, insults are amplified and coordinated attacks are common. We have all seen how, in recent times, members of our party, including your leadership in parliament, have been targeted with deliberate insults and misinformation by NDC forces.
Don kuma no ba no dani wo ma Ghana mra se badwafie na wo ye adese wo afutu wo mo mra se badwani Yewa Alexander Kwame na afenyo ma kene kasa na kane mra se badwani a na wo ho ma adese wo ayawa so West Wogon ma me Lydia Alasa ana etu wo mo fo se afe na wo mo ba school di ntia wo mo ba ne ya adesua wo mo nyire wo hu nsua ne yie se de be ya wo mba wie no na wo mo nyuma kura wo.
Political parties, like all human institutions, go through moments of changes and reflections. But it is in this moment that commitment, principled, and forward-thinking young people are most needed. Your decision to be part of TESCON and the NPP should not be based on convenience or popularity, but on conviction, values, and the desire to contribute to national development. The future of this party is not detached from you. It is shaped by you. If you bring competence, integrity, discipline, and new ideas into the space, then you become part of the renewal and strengthening of the tradition. So yes, it is worth it, but only if you're prepared to be active, to think critically, to uphold the right values, and to contribute meaningfully. The strength of any political tradition lies in the quality of its next generation.
Eno, Mame Lydia Alasa. Wono na kane ayawa so weso go ho na woyemra se bedwani a ekoko wieye no ankwa nkodi ne nsem bio na agya wotufo na ode ama adehye a wo mo aba suapon mo foforo se adesua ne hia na opon checheku na nkomo yi ewieye ya wode ma wo ntie gina won so mpanimfo ne de edudu anka beka se wo mo apa nti mo ama oba foforo yi na mo de enne foforo bi bewuram ama nkonmu di aba.
Abusia yeko atwema kwa nwoma ekrosini ebedwanim ewa Asante Mantam na disi ya wono oho ayononyafo Grace Ajeman Asamoa wone ne mpanimfo akeka womo ensa abom ema edwa na no ewo mpatam ho na adihye su ho no womo etumi asidwane bi kama owie ye wanom abia no fefefe na emu anu atoto srase wo behia esa aban na afei ankrankra nwumekuo nso ebetumi aka wo mo ho abomu na wo mo nyina aprempuntuo ede aba atwema kwa ngoma ene ne mpatam na aboa ama bibia etumi akoso wo wie ye odas opani a wono wo ye chief executive officer a wono no the project no ema no Owura Patrick Owusu adodo na afa ne pekus woda no ase ese wo mo di dwa no ehye ne nsa watumi aboa akokodene ama ankrankra ne aban asomu a edwa no abeye dwa ye nei omodan ede ama adwadifo e won potam ho
mede asedapi esie emma Owura Patrick Owusu wo adefefa onam so ayede ama apasoman ye nyane so enipa mese me ensakura wo amensi mu a gidi ye se amensi betu pon kase afa ne ntomapa efra saa akwanya nso ede adesrede ma amensi mu ta won a omo wo pepa no mo wa saa akwanya betimi ayede ye nua be me yayi mesra wo mo se omo nso so emoa so mo wo saa ni so ade hunu na ba omo nka nhye ba omo nka se aban ensa entumi ensu ye nyina ye so
enti no sadia ba kufo ensa ensu twedi ampon ani ekata no sada na ban ensa nso yeso nti ankrankra betumi asom disi ya no wa twema kwa nwoma ononyafo Grace Ajeman Asamoa nensam eni anu achi no Owura Patrick Owusu ya wono wo CEO edema apaso market no wono so ekasai
What I did no, and it's a Marantia and Yambawa and Yabushi of Curing of Yabenia Jumai. The moon is a creative market that is we see. Stores and shops and Ayahodo Makodu son 70. Tinefa and says, I don't know if any papa, if any pammy, no. The very is any pabel had ye, Radia Monia bed, a Yajuma, almost up a coma. What I need to know. The master of Monasa, any pan if you need personate me CC. This a no air jatum. No man who said on Bafa, a grand necessity. Nasa, I was all maintaining this. I won't mean for being come maintaining this. You have been a bit too, because if you couldn't nipa, the master of me answer, I don't bet what the
Necrocremuno Assembly member Yawa no our Asago Apaso electoral area Nyafa Nelson Boachi Yadom was there a dreadful 1 was some more corners Mafia Muno Yaria Jano Momra Namumetinum Namunija.
Maybe say Abeboa bebre uhe impesua enaya emubi anywhere ho market eti bimedi we buy no ama meniaji bebre e bi say ade bi wan ka be na nche akokoro mu se kwakoto ba say wo ba hanu a ubenya sa ade bi ato your phone shop to ha your pharmacy wa ha say shops bi enema bebre wo hanu a kankan ne be full cars ye kokoro akoto bi na nso nam say we market yi ba ha ama say wo pe bi ato a wo ha ho engodi di traffic so kokoro ne mu ba apaso community market ya ubenya bi ato ntimi semi mindful no say omo nso emra mudi dwa ha ne edwane mpaja ana mo ton ade wa ha so mo hwe se omo be maintain market no se de standard aye pe market no yenya no omo be maintain ama bibia be dana kwan mu.
Assembly member Yawa no Asago Apaso electoral area Onenyafa Nelson Boachi Yadom wono na ne yensem twani Ebenezer Owusu ansa ekasai
Ebusuan ye ka wo se kaseboya ye de ebrewe eye gasem ena ekuramu gasem eye Ghana cement na wonim se eno ena the nation builder se wo per cement bi ade be ye plastering se blocks na wucha foundation bibia bi de cement eye de wokọ edwama so also per gasem super strong waterproof cement no eno na latest aye de aba edwama so enti ko ne kope bi to ne moa emu edansie hu nsem no enti nko nkan ba bi tonton building materials bia eyade se ubenya gasem super strong waterproof cement ni bi ato endpoint homeopathy clinic Dr. Dubuatin say ye stroke afabra say infertility awo ho asem na akwakoye din prostate wo memmemu entimi kidney liver nerves ho diseases nyina nyare wa hodo premature ejaculation watenete massage na ope anase onipa bi na ohia physiotherapy ni nyina wo mo ye bi ewo endpoint homeopathy clinic shell cyborg ewo spintes kwan no so enkran hanom sei kronom Adwoa hia ewo kumase ehon so ko hono ma behunu wo 0244 867068 0244 Kasa natural mineral water any ensu ayaye ne krogen ya sonson so de afa mfidie mu yiyi nkika wabone bia e de afirimu enti program bia wo ye fa bi serve na wanimu entimenti ne wanimu emrenyam monso amoton e wo traffic mu ni ade ne e wo sahye mu de ye wo bottle mu de ne ye wo dispenser gallons na edcc efiem ye dcc eye offices no so eno so nya bia ebetimi aboa ye pa Kasaloma Ventures for na akofa de abataifa enkran back hospital no echi horoma ho e na hunu Kasaloma Ventures na wakoje Kasa natural mineral water no ebi 0206469430 0206469430 time aba mesha enso eye etiri de adura no odin wonye bi na no number boy timi bua mo apom de ho nsam etimi konkan wonu ato awuntumi ni the general body pains ye comfort time aba mesha e de ama baby atunto nro bia herbal shops ne pharmacy so kwa obenye bi ato 0244417669 0244417669 nyumekoi adawoma ye dani ye hutiawa ye ba ni aka train ye de beto so
to me chenya oba eni peche mu ana dio bedachi nanso ubetumi abwana manenya pomodin free ne mofrase Jamvita ye de milk papabi ni nutrivi aye ye nkwada ediane a eye de na ahodi a ewo mu no bo mofra pomodin anyo impeni fosweni chopa Mawobano apomudi ni mofrase Jamvita gumo do bempre Jamvita, a delicious way to grow. FDA aji ejodi yinkrato yatum.
Hedebo how krenia ebo wa hwe me wori we busumi bia na nsu afro na hu nyina awrewre we ka ho a busumi mienu a me penti me hu nya me nye me ho kra biom ebo
kofi pa na se wontumi mfa painting kunti azio hwe ohaw no ewo dan no mo angasa wo
nti we dey man den he dan po se me wie o
simple kra Gasem super strong waterproof cement omo cement fra wa ye no abefo kwan so a ebo edan ho ban free nsu
ho ban bo eni se we dey repairs nkwan
o da bi ominia eno ne ma ne dance no hwe wo betumi dia sowas ya nsu anonom no ma wo penti kra na e wa wai ano ana wo betumi nsu die sidan
sa
wo betumi dia foundation block work plastering chese cement ba ko a utumi di sidan na samma ban bo mapano no
wow
Gasem super strong waterproof cement ba kwa ye di sidan na sam bohun ban sinu ye preko
Gasem, the nation builder. TV Emma Akatuapa
and okra busuama Akatuapa pampa TV no FM no nyina eno nti se ubie de tum afoforo nya bia wakatua wuntimi ni ye kwa amanone Kenya mamu ni yewura enkra bi firi ho eba se sadoma ewo ho no akwa akotu amu bi na mu no mofra na doso makoma aduasa mienu na nso besi sabre no ba bi kropoten a wo mo ede sa mu ni firi eba ye no akwa bibie wo ho enam sa ya so ma de ekobase wobi wu a wo mo ekopapa no hu ade kropoten ekun no de friend say pathologist na aban de friend say Richard Njoroch wono na aboso chese wone nsentro kasa no wose nkwada no ebi kura edida bagim ne yasil ne yede wo mo atoto asie wo mo enti wo mu to mu ni nyina na nso eto enso wo mu gina won na so etu yi a enkura makoma adonunum ebi kura ya motofo a wodane na yemu a wo bese wunhu so ye oba na abema na wonu ma wani afiri wanyinyini so enso na criminal investigation for directorate no na wo mo cheso wo ma ye hwehwemu de na nso wo mo hwehwemu kire se amu no dodo na betimi afiri ayasabia ene mo kire bi ene bae na babia wo mo kokosie se amu no nso no kariko no hwa na National Council of Churches e wo Kenya wo ma musiye na so mbusa wo mo no wo ma chese wo munsie mu bia enti se ye hwan ne sie wo mo no wo mu gusu ye hwehwemu ene na mane bon be chese na no fieda e wo saa kariko afa ho no hospital bi e wo nyamira e ho na wo mo de mu be se dumiensa bi ka se wo mo nkokora se no na yakokora wo saa kariko ho ne dia enhwemu ene bedede ene so ne yegina na awiei pramotobra kase a ye de sommo no ye de wo esie efe na aso afidie no a de na edi mu akotena ye de sommo no bi ene se gold face for se gold no a efri da manse ne se de yesika ho nsem no wo munya mfonso bia enepa na egu akwan mu a won mo yo
MCTD Afe Ghana Police Service anyone mu nuan mu a wo mo eka wo ho pomu asante mantem wo ma cheche cars bia yesi ya register no private nso ya de ye adwuma se commercial cars nkokwa nketenkete vozibi eka ho a ya de mu nsam esom wo
empanifo eda pantan psychiatric hospital no ano ede ya desrede eto mpanifo anim aban ene ankrankra wo mo nsam ewo bi se wo mo meboa wo mo na yaresa bia no e fa tete mu
eno na Dr. Penia wada omodarate no woti mantamo say neglected disease no hawompa emfaka ho na mpanimfo mmerebe
Bank of Ghana Owura Johnson Asiama Pundit wadi atuja achemu se die esie ewa Middle East no se anhye ye na ekwosoa no a ansha na Ghana ye ho ebekire yen wadi sansem nyina atuja ewa bra Ghana Export Import Bank ye chanity ya efre no gesem no wan mudi wo 10th anniversary en wadi to mu
abusia ensem no na edoson ye ko Kenya mine mu nso eho de nso ye de to aso ma bibia timi konkan Sompa 106.5 FM akraso eni ebi kofa Sompa Kumase Sompa Takwata de techiman sunya nkranza doma Kingdom 4 Fabi ewo mankesim 106.1 so decoder no so tie nka Facebook YouTube babia na yedem Sompa TV so live and clear wo share kase boni bi ewo honom yeda gasam cement nyumaku aka no yeda wo nyina sese wo maso yasene awie yenum abeken kan kase no edemamo Adwoa Asare enimidin mene
triple A man ejapia Apam Dadaa and Afi
Ampina Bedu Adepa Kofi Ebusia